Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is June the 29th, getting close to the end of the second quarter. May see a little window dressing propping up the market here in the last couple of days. Currently, SPY's opening up kind of flat, trying, still can't get above that 10 period moving average. That's what I think the bulls would like to see. But anyway, let's dive into some ideas today because I am seeing a few setups out there. Like in the CX, CX has been poking its head, through this 10 period moving average and then pulling back. But if it does get a close above that, I think this thing could easily, go through this high of 735. So watch for like a 3-day high there in that CX. Another one is DraftKings. Although it's having issues, you can see there eventually is a good chance it may get through all these levels of resistance. So probably a day too early, but anyway, you want to set a price alert and keep an eye on that one. STLD, I mentioned this yesterday. I'm still kind of liking this. There's a nice little bottoming tail yesterday. The steel sector. Look at Nucor X there. Seems like it's getting a bounce. So watch for a 2-day high uh, breakout above that 108 level. All right, let's see. SC, a little small cap, CIFR. This is a Bitcoin miner. This is still a very impressive looking chart here. Could be explosive. Let's watch for it to get through three. I am in this currently. Um, and let's see, one other out there, CWS. Kind of like the way this is pretty easy, just set above this range here, around 26.35, and set it and forget it and wait for it to trigger. All right, guys, that's it for today. Have a good one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.